Do you got $20,000 lying around? Well, then you may be the perfect customer for OpenAI's new 20K per month plan. Yeah, you heard that right, 20 G's. The plan's reportedly designed for high-level research using advanced AI agents. And there was also some really interesting details that OpenAI execs reportedly told investors in terms of how they're thinking about pricing. They're considering 3 new plans: $2,000 a month for high-income knowledge workers, $10K for software developers, and $20K for the PhD level research agents we just talked about. There's also a few really interesting tweets Sam Altman, OpenAI CEO, made yesterday. The first one's great news. They're planning to roll out GPT 4.5 today to Plus users paying $20 per month. I can't wait to try it out. Sounds like it's gonna have really low rate limits though, as they continue to have issues with supply and demand. And then there's the second tweet, which is way more interesting. He's essentially doing a bit of market research here, floating around an idea of switching from a flat monthly pricing model to a credits-based model for their Plus plan users. And they would use these credits to access tools like Deep Research, O1, GPT 4.5, etc. Now, once you hit the limit, it doesn't mean you can't use it anymore. You're just gonna have to buy more credits to keep using it. And I don't know about you, but I hate these type of pricing models for consumer use. There always seems to be like this psychological effect, at least for me, where I don't want to use up all my credits because I may need them for something great later on in the month, and then I just end up using the product a lot less. And maybe that's exactly what Sam Altman wants to make his business model viable and ultimately profitable. And all of this is just really interesting in terms of how Sam is thinking about his pricing strategy for lower plans versus these very expensive higher plans. Curious what you think in the comments. Are you gonna buy one of these higher plans? Do you think anybody will? And you can see what he's trying to do here. He's replacing people with these higher plans. Curious what you think about that in the comments as well. Take a second, give me a follow so you can stay up to date on everything in AI.